What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to simplify radical or root expression. The first one I have square root of 125 r to the power of 13. So if we want to write the answer, so we start with separating the two numbers. 125 is 5 cubed. 5 times 5 times 5 is 125, and r to the power of 13 is the same as r to the power of 12 times r. So that makes it, and 5 cubed is 5 squared times 5, and then we can separate it like that. This part is gonna be 5 to the power of 2 over 2, which is just 5. R square root of r to the power of 12 is r to the power of 12 divided by 2, which is going to be r to the power of 6, and then I multiply these two, which is going to be 5r. So basically that's the answer. Next example, have 80 square root of 80 s to the power of 15. First of all, for the answer we separate them. It's going to be 80 times square root of s to the power of 15. 80 is 16 times 5 when you factor it, and s to the power of 15 is s to the power of 14 times s. So that makes it 4 squared square root of 5 s to the power of 14. So that makes it 4 s to the power of 14 divided by 2, which is 7 square root of 5 times s. That's the final answer. Next example. Square root of 200 p to the power of 13. Answer. We just separate them. 200 times square root of p to the power of 13. 200 is going to be 100 times 2 p to the power of 12 square root of p. 100 is 10 squared, so square root of 10 squared is just going to be 10. Square root of p to the power of 12 is going to be p to the power of 12 divided by 2, 6 times square root of 2 times p, which is 2p. That's the simplified form. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.